Governor Josh Green is going to sign the first two bills from the 2023 legislative session into law today, and they're both impactful. Senate Bill 1 ensures a woman's right to choose an abortion in Hawaii, protects healthcare workers who provide the services, and prohibits the release of medical information. This after the Supreme Court overturned the landmark Roe v. Wade law, allowing states to decide whether abortion should be legal or not. The other allows a person to be tried and sentenced for certain felonies through various means. Last year, the state Supreme Court issued the so-called Obrero ruling, saying that all serious felonies must be indicted by a grand jury. That had jeopardized dozens of cases, and there was concern that dangerous criminals would be released back to the streets. Lawmakers had considered a special session to address that situation. The Office of Hawaiian Affairs is calling on House Speaker Scott Saiki to keep the bills for development alive this session. OHA wants to build affordable housing on its land in Kaka'ako-Makai. It's called Hakuone. Senate Bill 1235 would provide $65 million to repair the old Fisherman's Wharf Pier and $6 million for an environmental impact statement. But OHA's chair says Speaker Saiki will not hear the bill.
One lawmaker can decide if a bill lives or dies. Does that sound right to you? It doesn't to us. It's an affront to our democracy, and it undermines our ability as Native Hawaiians to make our case before our elected representatives.
It's only going to leave a small footprint on the land. We're developing on only 3 of the 9 parcels. They're all inland. None of them are on the coast. And we're actually going to increase the amount of open space for the public and public access.
No hearings on Senate Bill 1235 have been set. A spokesperson for Saiki told us that he hasn't had a chance to review OHA's comments and says there is still time for the House to, quote, evaluate options.
Get those umbrellas out there. Big disturbances pulling up moisture for the east end of the state, but we're going to see more so in the afternoon hours. We'll see some spotty downpours. We're talking statewide. Not everybody's going to get in on the rain, but there's going to be some downpours out there through tonight as well. And then tomorrow in the afternoon, we'll see the same thing. Some convective showers and with that available moisture. But then by Friday, we'll see fewer showers, and over the weekend, even drier conditions. But heads up, next week, another disturbance forms, so it could be another wet one by the middle of next week. But for today, we'll see some spotty showers through tomorrow for those interior spots, for the leeward areas as well. Some spotty downpours. Could see some heavy rain today and tomorrow, but not everybody's going to get on the rain. It's going to be of spotty nature. And then fewer showers by Friday. The weekend is shaping up very nicely.
This See It Now digital news brief is sponsored by Long's Drugs, bringing our heart to every moment of your health.